Tonight I'm just going to show you some of the new things. We have a couple new items that are what we call premier items. These items are only available when you have $350 in orders. There's no other way to get them from me or any other consultant. So what you need to do is to grab $350 in orders and then grab these for yourself. I'm really excited about these because we used to have glass mugs and everybody asked for them, and now we have them back. Look how pretty they are. So these are the glass mugs. And if you can see, they have the wildflower pattern on them. Refrigerator, freezer, and microwave safe. Mugs will get hot in the microwave. Always use a pot holder. Glassware can go directly from the freezer into the microwave for reheating or defrosting. Have you ever seen any of those recipes for mug brownies? Wildflower glassware is safe in the oven, but the mugs should not be used in the oven because they could tip. Do not use glassware under the broiler. Do not use non-stick cooking sprays. To freeze, only fill it 3/4 of the way full. Wash before first use. All right, so these are the mugs. What do you think? I'm going to say that they are 13 ounces each. But you know, when you drink out of a glass mug, it's really nice because they don't hold any taste or smell. So if you have coffee in here and then you wash it, you can have tea in here next time and you're never going to taste it. So these are a set of 8. You get 8 mugs and they're just $49.95 for 8 mugs when you have just $350 in orders. So you have a couple weeks to be able to do that. There's another premier item. And this is also only available when you have $350 in orders. It can be you that places an order all by yourself, or you can collect orders from your friends and family. Ooh, this is our blue tea kettle. Goes well with the mugs. I shouldn't have put them away. This is so pretty. So it has the blue on the lid. 2.5 quarts. Let's see what this one says. Whistling tea kettle. Hand wash before first use. Do not fill over the max fill run. Place the lid securely onto the kettle. Be sure the whistle is in the closed position at all times when boiling. Overfilling your kettle can cause hot water to spurt through openings. Always put it on a burner that's the same size. Flame should touch only the bottom and not lick up over the sides. When the water boils, turn off the heat, wait about 30 seconds, and then pull up the level and pour. Do not rely on the whistle to remind you the kettle's on the stove. Hand washing is recommended. Do not use abrasive cleaners or metal scouring pad as it might scratch your surface. Do not keep water in kettle when not in use. This is something that's important to know. We've had these before. Some minerals in your water can cause stains on the inside of your kettle. We recommend using Princess House stainless steel cookware cleaner. Do not use cookware cleaner to clean the exterior of the kettle as it can damage the color. Use only a soft soap on the outside. Water with high mineral content can cause the inside of your kettle to turn brown or white, creating a layer of calcified materials. It may cause mineral buildup and or spots. Use filtered water for the best results. If the cap stops whistling, it may have a buildup of minerals. So here's something else that I want you guys to know, and a lot of people don't know this. Whenever you use water on your stove, either when you're putting it in for tea or maybe a whole pot of pasta, you're supposed to use cold water and not hot water. Some people will use hot water because they're like, oh, well, let me speed it up a little bit. I want it to boil. Let me start with hot. But what you don't realize is the cold water from your faucet comes from the street. The hot water from your faucet comes from your hot water heater. And over time, that has sediments that build up in the bottom. So you're never supposed to use hot water to start. You're always supposed to use cold, okay? So here is the tea kettle. And this is $49.95 when you have $350 in orders. This is a premium hostess special. So this one is when you have $550 in orders. Part of our Mi Cucina collection, which is the cast iron. It's a brand new item, not in the regular catalog. Oh, this is super nice. So this is the Mi Cucina, and this is a 6.5 quart brazier. I like how nice and wide it is. Isn't that pretty? So this is the cast iron. Inside it has the nice ivory finish, but on the bottom it's got that gorgeous blue enamel. So pretty. So let's see what these directions say. Cream enamel is designed for slow, low temperature, low heat cooking for longer periods of time. It always requires liquids such as broth, oil, or fats. Always preheat. The cream enamel cookware must have liquids that cover the bottom of the pan. Black enamel cookware, because you can see the two different kinds, the black enamel cookware can be preheated with oil for 1 to 3 minutes. Preheat using medium heat, never on high. Once preheated, always reduce the temperature to low. But the cream one must have liquids that cover the bottom. So this is going to be $74.95. It is a $319 value. It's not in the regular catalog. Don't know if it's going to be or not. But right now it's only for hostesses. When you have a $550 show, you can get it for $74.95. Or when you're a consultant, you can get that discount as well. Lift it, don't drag it across to prevent damage to your cooktop. Clean it after every use. Always allow your cookware to cool completely before submerging it in water. The pans and the lids are dishwasher safe, but they do recommend hand washing. Don't use abrasive sponges or metallic pads. Use a non-scratch sponge and use cast iron cleaner to remove stains. So those are the 3 items that I wanted to show you tonight. These are all premium items. I'll come back and I'll show you all the different specials because there's all new items that are on sale.